Good morning from the Four Seasons Orlando. We're heading to our breakfast, which is at 7:30. Oh, right here. We are heading downstairs right now. Mirror. Daddy.
Say good morning. Look at Mama and say good morning.
Good morning.
Going up. Still waking up.
All right, we have an omelet. We have some pancakes and bacon. Oh my goodness, it's Goofy. All right, what I was saying before, we got an omelet, we got mini pancake, bacon, and hash brown. Those pancakes are for Teddy. He's having a great time. Jay got an omelet. Sammy got an omelet. We all got omelets and orange juice.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right inside there, and then as you go around the park today, you and your grown-ups are going to look for people who have orange. What animal is this?
What's that?
A frog! Exactly right! You are exactly right. All right, are you ready for the next one?
Here we go.
Here's the sound.
What makes that?
What roars?
What roars like that?
Maybe it's got some stripes on it. Some orange and black stripes.
Lion.
A lion! That's a very close guess, my friend. It is a tiger.
Tiger.
Do you want to listen to the tiger one more time? Yes.
And see, now they can get to each other all the way down there. He can travel through the forest. Do you want to put him down there by his friends? Yeah. Good job,
There you go.
Explorer.
We're going to see the Lion King show.
Going into the Lion King show. Okay, Brandon's parents went to Zootopia to the preview show, their annual pass holders, and they got us lightning lanes for it too, but someone's tired.
Yeah, someone's kind
Not
of zonking.
naming names, but someone's tired. So we are doing the gorilla track instead to kind of give him a minute.
In a minute, we got to get out of the bird area, okay? Yeah, we got to walk a couple minutes and get out of the bird area. Then
Hi, Hippo. Hi, Hippo.
Whoa.
Right up, and it looks like a rock. A pretty dark rock, but that's up there. If you can see the ears, that's a black rhino. Pounds, and they can run out to.
All right, we got Flame Tree Barbecue pulled pork mac and fries and a Coke. Teddy got a hot dog and an applesauce and these things. Good? We're heading to ride Dinosaur for probably the last time ever. I'm wearing my dinosaur shirt. The final roar. Thanks, DFB. That's what we're looking at right now.
Tropical America is coming
What, baby? Where's my car? My car is back at home at the airport.
soon. Waiting for us for when we get home.
Wall City.
Wall Kingdom.
Wall Kingdom.
Instead of Walcott, now we got Wall Kingdom.
Thank you. This is it. This is the last one. I don't know if we'll end up getting on here again later. Just based on how the day is going with Teddy, he's pretty tired. So, this could be the very last dinosaur ride ever. How do you feel, Brandon, about your last ride on dinosaur?
It is pretty sad.
I don't know if we'll get on it again on the way out. It's debatable.
No,
Probably not.
we will. Last time in the queue.
Until Indiana Jones.
Yep.
All right, we are going on Flight of Passage. It is a 35-minute wait for standby, which is the lowest I think I've ever seen it in my life. So we're gonna do it. Teddy is sleeping. My mother-in-law is with him. He's been sleeping in the stroller now for a bit, so that's really good. So we're gonna take advantage of this, get on this one, and then we have a lightning lane for Navi River after, which Teddy will be able to go on. So it works out perfectly. We were just saying that we have never seen this whole queue because we usually have a lightning lane, or we used to use the DAS pass for Brandon. So this is different. We are moving though, we are walking non-stop. Now we have stopped.
Riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out.
The standby is 20 minutes for Navi River journey, which is crazy. We have a lightning lane.
No.
Okay, time has transpired. We are now in Pop Century, checked in, and have gotten our Instacart order, and we are like unpacked. So it's been a minute, but let me show you guys what we got for our Instacart this time. Lots of toddler goodies, Pirate Booty, apple sauces. This is all the beveraginos, and then we also got milk this time because our son has milk in the morning and at night. Up here, we've got the Pop-Tarts, we've got just little granola bars, these little extra like breakfast pouches, these we had before, but we got more goldfish, and then a variety pack of Cheez-Its. And this time we're using the Murphy bed. So this is down. This is my sister's groceries, so we're gonna be bringing that to them. But yeah, this is what it looks like down. So there's like a light up there, and when this is put up, it turns into a table. It's very easy to navigate, so that's good. But we've never had to use it before. Nope. Now we have a little rascal. And these are the bed bumpers. I don't know if I showed these already, but they are inflatable. So these go underneath the fitted sheet here. And then we've got all the stuff and the usual, you know, storage area and really nice bathroom mirror combo situation. And this time around we got a tub, which is awesome because our son takes baths. So we were a little worried because we've gotten just like the shower style before, like the glass shower, but this one has a tub, so that's awesome. That is, you know, the Pop Century room. It's standard. We've stayed here before. Brandon. But we really like it. It's simple and we're not here very much, so it works just fine. Right, Teddy?
Yeah.
All right, we are going to see my sister and in-laws across the way because they are in the 80s and we are in the 50s. If you know Pop Century, that is not near each other. Even though we requested that, we ended up in the 50s, which we like this area, but not being near them kind of is unfortunate. We're gonna bring them some of their groceries, and I brought my sister some clothes to wear to match me, and then yeah, we're gonna probably go and get some dinner.
Go in this elevator back down.
So I never closed out the vlog yesterday, so good morning. I'm closing it out now.
We had a fantastic day. We had so much fun at Animal Kingdom with our son. He had a blast. We got on pretty much every single ride. The only thing we didn't do was Rafiki's Planet Watch on the train. We just didn't have time. Our son was tired. We could have stayed, but we opted to come back to the resort last night and have some food and catch up with my sister and her boyfriend. We got some groceries. You guys saw all that. Yesterday morning's breakfast at the Four Seasons was amazing, and if you are looking to do a character breakfast with your little ones, it was so good. We saw Mickey, Minnie, and Goofy probably, how many times would you say they went around? 3 or 4?
Yeah, I'd say probably 3 or 4 times.
It was throughout the entire breakfast. It was not just a one-time encounter. They had a little dance party in the middle of the room. The food was super good. They had such a good variety of options, and our waiter was super attentive.
Goofy said, that is outside swimming in the pond.
I know you did.
Goofy told him that Donald Duck was outside swimming in the pond outside of the hotel yesterday, and ever since he told him that, he has been reminding us. We haven't met Donald yet. Donald is on our list of characters to meet. Maybe today, I don't know. But anyway, if you're looking for a good, character breakfast, we definitely recommend it. And it's the same price as one you would do on property. It's not like it's wildly different price or anything. They are the same. Anyway, I'm going to close out this vlog and get started on our Magic Kingdom one for today. But thank you all again so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like our content. And click the notification bell if you want to be notified when we upload, once a year or whatever it is at this point. Thank you all again, and I will see you all in the next one at the Magic Kingdom. Bye!